Good afternoon, everyone. Our presentation is about a knocking skill. As we observe, many people knock on Onyx's door. Each door represents a temptation or a path that life seems appealing but ultimately leads to suffering. Onyx, as a main character, has tried to find security and comfort in various things in the world. This is emphasized the different doors he opened. He seeks happiness through different avenues in life, such as chasing achievement, thinking that it will fulfill his needs, seeking temporary escape through drugs or other distraction. However, Onyx doesn't find true happiness in any of doors he enters, which leads him to anxiety and despair. He noticed there is one door he hasn't opened. This last door represents a turning point. Onyx recognized that true comfort, security, and peace cannot be found in the world. He realized he needs a different kind of strength, a different kind of love, a different kind of hope. This is when Jesus, the King of all kings, he knocks, offering an invitation to a relationship with him that provides ultimately security and love. This reminds to all of us that no matter how hard we try to find lasting peace and fulfillment through our own means, instead we find in We find it in the hands of Jesus, the King of all kings. He represents a love that dwells beyond worldly comfort and offer love that can never be taken away. Even in a world filled with chaos and conflict, there is a promise and a place where we can find true happiness and fulfillment only in the hand of Jesus, King of all kings. That's all. Thank you.